Solidworks. Course review by Ishaan Sajith.
My name is Ishaan Sajith. My course instructor was Mr. Arjun, and my 1 month course for Solidworks has been completed. This is my feedback video. My experience learning Solidworks was really good and helpful during this course. I learned how to create different types of drawing. We started with 2D drawings, then we moved on to extrude, and from there we learned several other tools. It helped me understand how ideas and concepts can be converted into proper designs. The practical exercises definitely improved my skills and made me confident with my drawings. The instructors explained everything clearly and supported us throughout the learning process. Overall, it was a great experience, and this course has given me several useful insights and knowledge that will help me in my future engineering projects. I look forward to improving my design and skills even more. Thank you so much.